Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year 2024. The year I will blow. I will blow. Okay, so today is Thursday, 4th of January. And guys, I have not made any video or any chart analysis since when I posted the last video, because when I checked the market, the market took me out. The market took me out. I think which day I'm gonna be posting the video. Sorry, I'll be doing the video analysis after this one. So today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday for NFP, and I don't like to trade NFP. I don't like to trade NFP. So guys, I will be. I zoned out. Okay, so guys, let me tell you what actually happened this week. I did not make any video, and I have been going through some emotional roller coasters this week. It's not because of the trade I lost on GBP USD. It's a normal thing, but I've been going through some emotional roller coasters, and that has actually affected me, because whenever I go into the charts, like, I don't really have the vibe to usually like the way I do my analysis. So I just left the chart, left everything, and next week we will start trading fully. So guys, I just want to let you guys know I've been able to save money for the Willis Capital. After I got money from my sis, my mom sent me some money to go get some food stuff, because I'll be traveling very soon for my NYSC, to report to my place of primary assignment. So guys, she sent me some money for food stuff. What a loving mom. But actually I used the money to add up, and for me to use it to pay for my Willis Capital, to purchase for Willis Capital 10k account. So guys, from next week I'll be trading the Willis Capital 10k accounts, and I'll be updating you guys how I trade the accounts, or like the way I'm doing with this one now, the consumate. And for the market that took me out, remember I was risking just $40, so I've been taking out for that trade. After the market, okay, I'm going to tell you what happened on the chart. So yeah, bye for now. Bye for now. So I think next tomorrow, that's Saturday, I'll be posting this video. Yeah guys, happy new year. Hope you guys are spending your new year well. Like, okay, something just came into my mind now. So guys, let me tell you something. My goals for this year. Okay, my goals, the first one is to purchase the 10k account, which I'm actually doing now. Sorry, when the Willis Capital is live. So my goal is to purchase the 10k account, and when it's released. So the second goal for this year is to, after passing the 10k account, is to purchase a 50k account. After passing the 50k account, is to purchase a 100k account. After passing a 100k account, I plan on getting a 400k account, and that's the goal for this year, to get 400k funded accounts with Willis Capital. And I'll be also updating you guys how I'm going to be trading this account. Yes, by God's grace, I'm going to get this account, and that's why I say by this year I'm going to blow. This year I'm going to blow. Okay, so, and I divided these 4 accounts by 12 months. So if I'm doing it, I think each account is allocated like 3 months for me to pass the challenge and get funded live. Then use it to purchase another account. That is it, like from the 10k to 50k. Then I'll have another 3 months to pass the 50k account. And I just want to let you know, it's not a must that I pass this account within the span of 3 months. So you set the goal, you work towards it, and you make sure like you are not pressured, because when you are pressured, that is when you're going to be making mistakes when you're trading these accounts. So guys, this is my goal, and I said let me let you guys know. And yeah, I'm making a declaration: this 2024 is the year I will blow in Forex. So guys, bye for now. So guys, let me tell you guys about GBGPY first, since I'm on the screen here. I have not analyzed this market. It's been long. I just opened my screen and I stumbled upon this. So guys, you can see the market. I know. Remember when I explained it took me out for break even, came down to the zone. I was not watching the market at that point because I was not interested in the market or what the market was going to be doing. So later on, I checked and the market came back to this my zone, break this counter trend line. I think did it two retest and then it's flying up now. So and it's going for the yellow zone. The like I said, I was not sure if the market was going to go at this point. But for now, I think the market is heading for this yellow zone. So if I see any opportunity at this point, I'm going to be placing a trade. Then I'll update you guys how it goes. So for the trade I took on GBP so this is what happened. I remember I placed my entry. Okay, let me tell you what happened. So for this point, remember I took the entry, like the aggressive entry. It came down, tapped my SL, then started moving back up. I thought the market was ready to move up for my other what is happening? For my other conservative damn English. My other conservative entries. So guys, the market I thought my market was going up, but later on I checked the chart and I saw the market stand down, took me out. This was the trade I was risking $30, and this was just the one I was just risking 10 just to test out something. So it took me out, and yeah, that's how the game is. Now I've actually been waiting for entry for this market. If the market that is if the market stays below this yellow zone, I'll be looking for sell. But if the market stays above, and tomorrow is NFP, I don't know where the market is gonna shoot to. If it's gonna be flying up, if it's gonna be flying down. So guys, I'll just be observing the market and I'll update you guys how everything goes. But I feel my main trading will start from next week after the NFT because I wouldn't want to enter into a trade then be taken out by NFP manipulators before going into my direction, or it could actually go to my direction even when I enter. So I don't want to take that kind of risk. So guys, let's see how it goes. Bye for now.